Hello guys, welcome again to the Word of Life. Today we will continue on the explanation of the blood and the blood vessel. Yesterday we spoke about the blood capsule, the blood vessels. Alright, so today we will going to continue on that. So under the blood, we have the red blood cell, we have the white blood cell, we have the platelets or the liquid part of the blood. So we under the white blood cell, we also have the phagocytes, we have the lymphocytes, and also know that the white blood cell is also known as the leukocytes. Okay, while the red blood cell is also known as the thrombocytes. Another thing we need to know in this study is that the average uh, adults have about 5 to 6 liters of blood. That is 5.5 to 6 liters of blood in their body. And also, the white blood cell is almost found um, in all the parts of the human body. Okay, and again is this: the white blood cell is essential in the fighting of the diseases that enters into our body. All right, so I also know that the white blood cell has the other part which we call the CD40 cells. Okay, the CD40 cells is the major blood cells that fight against diseases. And again, the lymphocytes is also the part of the platelet, okay, that also fight against diseases as well. But the main function is actually to drain or to minimize the water level of the blood, because the blood has almost 70% of water. Okay, so the lymphocytes is actually responsible for the regulation of that. We call it osmoregulation, that is regulation of the water content. Okay, so another thing we also need to know about blood is this: blood is a tissue because it has both blood white and also the red. And again, the red and the white blood cell have distinctive function. Okay, the white blood cell fights against diseases, while the red blood cells supply the body with nutrient and oxygen. Okay, because the red blood cell has the iron pigment we call the hemoglobin that assists in the transportation of oxygen around the body. That is the reason why, if you want to know the oxygen content of your blood, you only look at the color. If it appear light red or pink, it means that it is high in oxygen. While if it appear dark red, it means that it is low in oxygen. Okay, and we also have the blood vessels, which we say that it is actually the channel at which blood travel around the body. So the next time we are going to meet, we are also going to talk about the heart and also the um, blood movement in and also out of the heart, where we have the pulmonary circulation and also we have the systemic circulation. And also under the pulmonary circulation, which is the movement of the blood from the heart to the lungs for oxygenation, and the systemic is the movement of the blood from the heart to the other parts of the blood, other parts of the body. Okay, which we have the one that pump oxygen poor blood or deoxygenated blood to the lungs, and the one that pumps oxygenated blood around the body. Okay, so still stay tuned. If you're not following me, you are not doing any right. So follow me as well, and also share it with your friends that will be interested in the learning as well. So we are going to learn one after the other, one thing each day. And if you have a topic you want me to treat, or any part of the life science that you don't actually know or want to know more about, okay, so do drop it in the comments. I will be reading your comments and I will also do a video for you. Okay, so see you in the next video.